Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2023 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. Starting with the boat's exterior, this is the light blue gel coat. Really good looking boat in this color combination. We've got an upgraded white rub rail with a stainless steel insert, white graphics, very clean looking boat, paired with a painted white Mercury 300 Verado. This is the V8 4.6 liter motor. At the transom, we've got two large swim platforms that are angled outward for safety and a very large telescoping reboarding ladder. So it makes this boat really easy to get in and out of. We've got our transom mounted transducer on the back along with Linco trim tabs. And now we'll make our way up inside. So here on the transom on Whaler's 230 Vantage, we've got a full walk-through transom so you can get from one side of the swim platform to the other. Here on the port side aft, we've got a live well with blue interior. There's two rod holders along the transom. And then as you enter the cockpit, we've got a freshwater sprayer and a battery charger on board. Big, solid, very tall, closable, and lockable cockpit door. So great for keeping younger children and small dogs safely inside. Battery switch for the boat is right here, located on the starboard side aft. Very convenient location. Also here we have a tow rail for fishing. That's repeated on the port side. A little shelf area here too. Stainless steel cleats, and then rod holders and cup holders as well. Padded bolsters throughout the cockpit. So this is a great boat. You're fishing the cockpit. A lot of real estate back here to maneuver around. You have a nice and oversized stern seat back here. Easily seat two adults very comfortably. No exposed hardware, big thick cushions, and a nice tall backrest as well. Boston Whaler does a really nice job with bilge access. So very large hatch. Everything is super easy to get to down here. All the fiberglass is polished and finished and gel coated, so it's easy to keep clean. Transitioning over here to the starboard side prep area, we've got a nice Corian countertop with cup holders, stainless steel grab rail, and then we have a storage drawer for cutlery or tackle, and then cabinet style storage with dedicated space for a 5-gallon bucket. Both of these are also lockable, so you can put valuables in here. This port side lounge seat is very versatile. It has a neutral backrest, which you see here. So you can create seating either facing aft, upright seating, or facing forward, which is nice for when you have the stern seat deployed. You can put a cockpit table here and you can create opposing seating. The backrest has multiple locking positions, so you can create a lounger facing aft in a reclined position. You can drop this all the way down and create a sunbed and either use the bolster on the port side head door as a backrest. You can seat a few adults facing inward and still have a backrest with this bolster here. Or you can actually raise this backrest up and have the same effect facing forward. We also have storage beneath this aft seat with an air compressor on board. And then there's also a cooler box built in, finished and drained beneath this forward seat. Cup holders along both sides, speakers throughout the boat, midship and in the cockpit, and then a charging port also on the port side. Big oversized head door that's on a magnetic catch, so it'll stay open. Porcelain vacuum flush head with an overboard discharge, along with a freshwater sink and an overhead light. It's a very deep storage area as well, so it's also great for canvas, beach bags, water toys, things that you just want to keep on board as well. We've also got the acrylic trim accent, which dresses the boat up very nicely as well, which is part of the upgraded dash option that you get with Whaler on the 230 Vantage. So this is a 12-inch display with an acrylic back, a black acrylic back. We've got a JL Audio stereo head unit, Mercury vessel view display for all of our engine data, rocker style toggle switches for lights and pumps, VHF radio, trim tab remote with LED indicators to show where those tabs are positioned, cup holders, recessed area for your phone with a drain, along with charging ports. Vinyl wrapped dash, or vinyl wrapped brow on the dash, dresses this area up again. We have a very comfortable helm seat that does adjust to swivel and slide forward. You've got an angled footrest here, wrapped steering wheel on a tilt base, padded armrest for next to the throttle, digital throttle and shift, so very smooth to operate. Recessed area for wallets, keys, phone, charging port right here. And then this seat also has a flip-up thigh-rise bolster if you wanted a little more elevation at the helm. Coming forward, this is one of my favorite boats from Boston Whaler, and I think it's because it's just so versatile. They pack so much into a 24-foot boat. But you have storage inside the starboard side console that you can access either directly here, but you can also access it beneath this forward hatch, beneath one of the bow cushions. So if you have larger items like the bow shade kit or large canvas or easier access to the table, you don't have you're not limited to a smaller door or compartment door here. You've got a huge hatch here that you can access as well. So you can also see the block off door. So you can close that along the windshield, create some separation from the elements on colder running days. There's also a locker down on the floor. This is designed to be a fish box. It's got a pump out and it's drained, but you can use it for dry items as well. There's a little trash receptacle here that goes directly to a 5-gallon bucket. I drop this hatch back down, put the cushion back in place. There's also storage beneath the port side. This also makes for a great cooler. It's finished and drained, but you can keep extra dock lines in here as well, or anything you'd want to keep on board that fits in this space. And then as far as seating goes, we have wraparound seating. Again, nice tall backrest, angled appropriately. Padded bolster is where it needs to be for arm support. Your grab rail is located in a good position, so it's not torquing on your shoulder. JL audio speakers, 2 cup holders on either side of this boat, but a lot of room for passengers to sit. You can easily have 2 people facing forward, someone facing aft. This is a very comfortable position to ride up in the bow. And then lastly, our foredeck area, we have a freshwater sprayer, windlass anchor that's mounted through the stem, and a reboarding ladder. It's a new feature on the 240 Vantage that wasn't available on the previous model. So great foredeck area on this boat. Again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston. Be sure to come by and see this boat at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. We're right off the highway. Give us a call, 843-747-1889 if you have any questions or interest in this boat. And thanks for watching.